After testing over 200 keyboards, we've found that the Keychron Q2 is one of the best options for most typists. This compact mechanical keyboard strikes a perfect balance between size and functionality, offering an excellent typing experience that's hard to beat at this price point. The Q2 features a high-quality aluminum case that not only enhances its durability, but also adds a premium look and feel that's often reserved for more expensive boards. The solid construction gives it a hefty, stable presence on your desk, reducing any wobble during intense typing sessions. One of the standout features of the Keychron Q2 is its gasket mounting style, which provides a cushioned, almost springy typing experience. This mounting method gives the keyboard a soft, more premium feel compared to many pre-built mechanical keyboards. The typing experience is responsive and satisfying, making it a dream for anyone who types for extended periods. It's clear that this keyboard was designed with typists in mind, offering a solid foundation without feeling too stiff or rigid. The compact size of the Q2 offers the perfect balance between space-saving and utility. While it lacks a numpad, it keeps the arrow keys and other crucial navigation keys like home and insert. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone who works with a variety of tasks and doesn't want to sacrifice functionality for a smaller form factor. Despite its smaller footprint, you won't feel cramped while typing, and the layout remains intuitive and efficient. Customization is another key strength of the Keychron Q2. The keyboard comes with a hot swappable PCB, allowing you to easily change out the stock switches if you want to try different switch types or experiment with your typing experience. For those who enjoy tinkering, the Q2 includes a toolkit to help you make further adjustments, such as adding extra sound dampening or swapping the plate for a different acoustic profile. This level of customization makes the Q2 a great choice for users who like to personalize their setups. The keyboard also works seamlessly with VIA software, which allows you to reassign keys, create macros, and adjust the RGB backlighting to your preference. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your keyboard with custom lighting or program shortcuts for your workflow, VIA makes the customization process quick and easy. While we specifically recommend the Keychron Q2 for its space-saving design, you can't go wrong with any of the Keychron Q series boards. Whether you prefer a full-size Q6, a 10-keyless Q3, or the tiny Q4, each model offers the same incredible build quality, ensuring that you get a premium experience no matter which size you choose. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines excellent typing comfort, premium materials, and full customization, the Keychron Q2 is definitely one of the best choices on the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.